think so that English is most important and we should use it in our school. Like from small level, we should start to teach to small kids.
Okay, Mavish, I like that we should teach English as a language. Mostly schools, teachers are teaching English as a subject. Yes, and mostly teachers, mostly schools, they offer English as a subject. We should offer English as a language that will help them in their real life. Whenever our students will grow up, when they will go in college, when they will go in university, so that language will help them. Like you can ask from anyone that when students, those students, they are doing PhD, MPhil. So at the time of thesis, they need English language. At the time of job, they need English language. When our students visit any foreign country, yes, like if we go for even Saudi Arabia, yes, for Umrah, so we need English language because we don't know Arabic as a language, so we need English language. If when we visit to any country for Ziyarat, for Iraq, Iran, so we don't know Persian, we don't know Arabic, so again we need English language. So English, like if we go for our students when they go for higher study, China, any other UK, any other country. So if they know English, then they can communicate. Communication is very important. So this time has been changing. Like all the time, whenever I share with my students, I say that teach 21st century skill. In 21st century skill, first of all, that is C's, four C's. Like that is communications. Like first of all, our students should become,
Sure.
they should know the communication. When our students, they know the communication, then they will automatically, when we discuss topic in language class, students become creative also. They start critical thinking also. They start collaboration also, teamwork. So these four C's are very important. So in any school, we should teach English language. There should be a separate period for English language class. So how can we start it? Oh, this is the next question.
Yes.
So that we can start that first of all we have to train our teacher. Yes, like our school, that is example that in a small village, Chamra, we are working. But first of all, I train to my teacher. Yes, when we will train to our teacher, when teacher will speak in the class, then student will speak. That is the problem. Like in other schools, like when teacher will speak Urdu or Punjabi and they expect that student will speak English, that is not possible. Teacher will speak English, student will listen English. The rule for learning language, that is listening, speaking, reading, writing, four skill. So problem is this, that in our school mostly teacher, they focus on writing for the exam, they focus on reading for that they will do reading and then exam for the like that they have to write in the exam.
Yes.
They totally ignore the basic two skill, that is listening and speaking. Like I'm a Punjabi speaker, you people, like we are Punjabi, native Punjabi speaker. In our life, daily, how much time we speak Punjabi and how much time we write Punjabi? I have never written Punjabi, yes. So, but we speak Punjabi. It's mean language function is speaking and listening. But in class, we ignore these both skill, listening and
Most
speaking.
important
So
skill.
that's why this is that's why our students, they are unable to speak after BSc, after BCom, after a master. Like even some students, they did master in English, that but they are unable to speak English language because why? Because their teacher only focus on writing.
Yeah.
That and because exam is in writing, like exam is in written form, so that's why. So this is my idea, that we should start listening period in our class. We should start language period in our class. At least those teachers, they are English teacher, they must speak English throughout. And we should start, like change is required in our education system. That translation method was old,
Yes.
it is outdated. No new method is required. Like there are many teaching of English methods are there are many method of teaching English. So I like direct method instead of translation. We should teach the student with direct method. Yes, then our students will start thinking in English instead of all the time translation. Like I'm Punjabi speaker, so first of sentence in Punjabi, then translate in Urdu, then translate in English. So it will take too long
Difficult,
time. It's a burden.
Yeah.
When our students, they will speak English language, yes, and when then they will read English, they will enjoy. Translation method is a burden for them, and even till master classes, they will not learn English language. Thank you.